Welcome. Here's how to tuck the cables in the door hole while installing the lock interior assembly. First, connect the two coaxial cables by matching the respective colors. Insert them into the slot and use the adhesive tape provided in the lock interior assembly to secure them. Next, connect the black cable and the smart deadbolt cable to their respective sockets. Now, prepare a piece of adhesive tape that is at least 8 inches long. Wrap all 4 cables together in a bunch. This will help avoid damaging the cables and make the tucking smoother. Finally, tuck the excess cables and connectors back into the faceplate and the door hole. And that's it. You've done a great job.